It's nursery rhyme time. And, oh no, look at that. It's raining. Oh, bummer. Oh, we've got a poem for that, haven't we? We've got a poem for everything, don't we? Here it goes. Rain, rain, because we're speaking to the rain. Might not have ears to listen, but we're going to speak anyway. Let it know where to go. Tell it to go away. But not forever. It can come again another day. Just not today, because, well, maybe we have baseball practice. Or maybe an outdoor ballet recital. Or maybe it's Little Boy Blue's birthday. Oh no. The old woman's moved from a shoe into a pair of galoshes. Ooh, looks like Humpty's wall's a bit too slippery. Itsy Bitsy wants another go at that water spout. Maybe Jack B. Nimble's candle's gone out. Or maybe, just maybe, little Arthur here just wants to go out and play. That's right. And so we say, rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Arthur wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. And maybe it will. Just maybe, if we're lucky.